Like I said, when I first started, I didn't know much about hairdressing. I was a horse trainer, and then I started in hair school. And I'll never forget the first haircut that I did on an actual person in hair school was a disaster. It was a disaster because I was so disciplined in following the guidelines that I'd been taught and making sure that I did a perfect round layer exactly as my teacher, Miss Judy, I still remember her name. Miss Judy taught me how to do the perfect haircut, but I wasn't following or listening closely to what the customer was looking for. I was just following what I'd been taught from a technical aspect. And I did a haircut that was it was terrible. And the customer was crying and I was crying and I was trying to hug her to make her feel better because I felt so guilty. But what I learned that day that was invaluable was that listening to your guests and taking the pride out of what you think you know as a hairdresser is so much more important than trying to prove to your guests that you are a rock star hairdresser and that you know everything. Listen to what they want. Listen to what they're asking for and be of service. What we do and the power of what we do is to help bring out the beauty that people don't see in themselves. So if you take a second and just close your mouth, open your ears and listen to what your guests are asking for, the things they don't like about themselves, the things they do like about their hair or their look, and help them bring that inner beauty out, then it doesn't matter whether or not it's the coolest, most fashionable haircut or if it's on trend or if it's the right sectioning. It's about giving them what they need so that they can walk out of that salon or out of that studio or wherever you're working with their head held high, feeling like you just changed their persona. You just made them feel so much better about themselves. Let go of the technique. Let go of the precision. All that is important for you to be able to execute, but most important is listen to her or him. Listen to that guest and give them what they need so they can feel the best that they can be.